What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. We got a pretty good one. I had some mods I want to do the M3 that I've been sitting on parts for who knows how long. So I feel like it's about time to go ahead and put them on. So I guess first we can try and take a look. I know it's a little cramped in here, but it's my 98 M3. It's extra stock, so I guess I can go over like a full video at some point later on, but not today, because I guess we're just trying to get some work knocked out real quick. So I guess we need to go ahead and maybe pop the hood, get this thing up in the air, go ahead and get to work on it. Oh, I guess I can show you what I actually got. All right, I guess I can go ahead and show you the parts we're installing today. Boom, got some new headers. I mean, I've used them in the past. I know it's definitely gonna make it sound a little bit different, but I mean, it's an NA car, so it's literally gonna do nothing for horsepower, but it's gonna make it sound cool, and I guess that's worth at least 40 horsepower. So I guess we go ahead and get this thing up in the air. I know it's the most fun part, and get started getting that exhaust off. All right, now you got this thing in the air. Let's go ahead and take a peek under the hood. And bam, it's totally stock. Yeah, this thing's got 239,000 miles on it, so I'm just gonna try and clean it up a little bit. Maybe clean out that air filter. That thing looks AIDS. But yeah, I guess just get it cleaned up, start getting rid of basically all the garbage on this side of the engine, and see if we can get those headers down there. I don't know if you can see it. Get those pulled out. The only real pain about this job is there's freaking 24 exhaust nuts. Like, why? Who needs that many? For what reason? But in any case, shouldn't be too difficult of a job. Man, this thing looks dusty. I haven't cleaned it in a while, so I guess that's probably I should do that too. And in literally no time later, we got them bad Johnnies out. So I guess you can kind of see in there, it's not looking too bad. And for BMW, it's only slightly covered in oil towards the bottom, but that's just rust protection. So now I guess I'll go ahead and start cleaning it up a little bit, see if there's anything else I missed, get those gaskets ready, and go ahead and slap on those new headers. And I'm trying to see if anything else I need to clean up while I'm in here, which is all right. And after an incredible struggle, we are almost done. Look how shiny and clean that's looking in there. Oh my gosh, it's gonna sound so good. But yeah, got the headers in. The only thing that I need is the hardware for the this. Yeah, the hardware is disgusting, and I actually need some new ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop by the hardware store, scoop me some new stuff, so we can bolt this all together, have it nice and shiny. Should be raging a little bit later today. I guess I don't know if you can probably see it from the bottom, but that's probably the best view that you'll get. These friggin' spaghetti looking headers. It was a freaking pain getting all those bolts in there, because it's just super tight, and like with this crazy tubular manifold, it's like literally every single bolt was blocked by something else, and I had to twist them all on by hand, like quarter turn at a time. But either way, we got it done. So now off to the hardware store, go ahead and grab all the bolts I need to get this finished and running and be done with this so we can hear it, see how this thing sounds. Seems like I might have a little bit of small idea of what I'm doing. No exhaust leaks. Sounds fine. Give it a couple revs. Try to reach it. Nope. That's too big of a hassle. Get an idea. Rev it from inside.